Now I would like to tell you about how the examinations are written, how to write in the examinations to score more marks, specifically anatomy. Human anatomy is like you can study everything, still not get high score due to the presentation that you're giving. For that you have to have a lot of, not an artistic way, but you have to know how to draw diagrams. The more diagrams you draw and the more clear you are in your diagrammatic representation, the more scoring the subject is. So
तुम्हें दादा इथे नहीं लेना है वरना तुम्हारी कान फटेगी.
dental anatomy, dental, that is the DADH, dental anatomy, dental histology and anatomy. These three books that you read have lot of theory in it and very few diagrams. But anatomy has a lot of diagrams. You can draw a lot of diagrams while writing the examinations. Similarly, you have to know how to present it properly. Like write it in a sequence along with the introduction. Write the introduction, then give a little bit of what the question is asking about. If it is asking about its functions, write about its function, elaborate it, but don't write it in a paragraph way. Write it in a points. The most
तो क्यों ना महाभारत ही लिखा जाए.
अब तुमने ये बात तो सबके मुंह से सुना ही होगा. अब बेटा एग्जाम में कुछ भी छोड़ के नहीं आना है.
देखो बेटा, एग्जाम में कुछ भी छोड़ के नहीं आना.
बेटा एग्जाम में कुछ भी छोड़ के मत आना, ठीक है? भैया भैया,
if you write in points, the more easier it is to read for the exam. Whoever is testing, I'm checking your answer sheets, and the more easier it is for them to mark your answer sheet. It is similar for dental anatomy and dental histology. Try to elaborate your explanation in a diagrammatic way. That is a basic trick and tips that I would give you. Similarly, if you talk about physiology and biochemistry, they has a lot of theory to write. But physiology has a lot of good diagrams. You can draw a lot of diagrams in it too. Biochemistry becomes sometimes very boring to write, but still, the more you can include it instead of making it into a long paragraphs, write it in few points so that you can use 2-3 color pens. If you like, use highlighters. That is a very most and specific way to write it. If you don't use highlighters, most probably you'll be not given much high score, as I have faced that. I have a very bad handwriting, that I can tell you with confidence. And use highlighters. That is what I would recommend. Thank you.
थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. बाय.